Hello guys, so welcome to the Unacademy platform. This is the best platform in our country, educational platform. So Unacademy has come up with a new channel which is Let's Crack IIT in English. So the basic aim of this channel is to remove the language barrier between the students and the educators, and also to universalize the quality content of Unacademy. All right. So, this is a very good intent of Unacademy. I tell you about myself, Rajiv Ranjan. I have a BTech degree from IIT Kanpur. I got my degree in 2014, and afterwards have taught in many reputed institutes of our country, and I have over 7 years of uh, experience in physics pedagogy. So you can get benefited from this rich experience of mine by joining hands on the Unacademy platform, and we can crack together IIT JEE with a very good rank. All right, so let's move on. Unacademy, India's largest learning platform, no doubt about that. So I want to tell you what are the perks. What are the perks that you are going to get when you hop on to this Unacademy vehicle? So the first thing that you will get is daily live classes. Daily live classes, the educators, quality educators, experienced educators, they are going to come on the YouTube platform of Unacademy, and they are going to interact with you, take sessions like clear your doubts and clear the concepts. So you can build a relationship with the educators and interact with them on several other platforms like Telegram. So this is a very good perk that you are getting. The second perk is live tests and quizzes. Live tests and quizzes, this will help you in analyzing yourself, that how your preparation is going on, and it's also going to keep you in a proper direction. All right, I'll talk about more about this direction thing in further in my presentation. The third perk that you all guys are getting is structured courses. So everything that you will be taught on this platform will be structured, no haphazard thing. All right, according to the exam syllabus, whatever syllabus you are preparing, like exam you are preparing for, everything will be slated properly, and a time frame will be decided for everything, so no problem on that. And finally, which what I like the most is the unlimited access. So as a student, I would always want this, that I should have access to the different educators on a platform. So if you are subscribing for IIT JEE content on Unacademy, then you will be accessing the content of all the IIT JEE experienced educators. All right, so this is a great perk that you are getting. Obviously, you download the Unacademy learning app so that you remain updated about what is happening on this platform, and tell your friends as well. I'll tell you about the subscription, that you should join us for 12 months and 24 months, because this type of examination cannot be prepared in small period of time. You should hop on for this long journey of 24 months. It's also economically sound very win-win situation for you, because 1 month will cost you 5,400 rupees, but 12 months is simply costing you 27,000 rupees. So there is a 60% off, and there is a 75% off if you opt for 24 months. You'll have to just pay 32,400 rupees. If you use a code of a educator, an educator, you get extra 10% off. So if you use my code Rajiv, then you are going to get extra 10%. So you should really think of joining hands with me, and let's crack IIT JEE. All right, so today I have come up with a special motivation come study session, where I'll deal with vectors, and along with that I'll also try to motivate you using the characteristic properties of vectors. All right, so let's move on. The first thing that I always tell my students whenever I teach, see, these concepts are very not that rocket science concept, very easy concept, and this will be applicable to all age groups, but specifically I'll be talking about the IIT JEE aspirants. All right, so always be like a vector. Always be like a vector. What's a vector? A vector has both magnitude and direction. Both magnitude and direction. So what does that mean? An ITJ aspirant must try to have strong grip on the concepts. See, strong grips on the concepts mean your strength will be good. All right, you can tackle good questions, you can score good marks in the exam, and good marks means good rank. All right, so this will build your magnitude. All right, so this will be your strength. What do I mean by direction? So direction is like you should always have a direction in preparation. For example, if I tell you that certain students what they do, they start studying a topic, and they like it and they devote lots of time to that, and they start neglecting the other topics. So there they get derailed, and they there at that point they lose their direction. So you must not fall in trap of, should be rational, you should balance everything, and you should be focused. And an academy platform, how it is going to help you in doing all these things: daily life quizzes, daily life classes, tests. So every time the experienced educator is going to test you and is going to tell you that, see, you are deviating, please and please work on this topic, work on this concept, don't become emotional, right? Follow the direction that will take you into the IIT gate. All right, so be like a vector. Next slide. Keep a good company. Keep a good company, it's very important, it's very important. I don't think that many of the people on the YouTube platform are talking about this. We on an academy are talking about this. Keep a good company. I always say to our students that, see, the concept that you are dealing with at IIT level, right? 11 class 11 class 12 level, these concepts are not that hefty, like compared to the concepts that we study in like BTech program and all. So the game is mostly psychological. The game is mostly psychological. If you are able to balance your mental state properly, then you will be able to balance the preparation as well. So what I have written here, see, first of all, I'll tell you the property of a vector. The resultant of two vectors is maximum when they are parallel to each other. All right, so how you can correlate this to your situation? If two like-minded people join hands, like great creation happens. But if two non-like-minded people join hands, then destruction appears. All right. So if you are a serious aspirant and if your friend is a non-serious aspirant, then non-serious aspirant is going to eventually make you a non-serious aspirant. All right. So you need to keep a good company in order to keep you focused. All right, because this exam needs your focus for a period of not 3 months, not 4 months, not 1 year, for a full period of 2 years. All right, and if you are joining hands with an academy, you'll have to attend daily life classes. You'll have to appear for the DPP's discussions. All right, so all these will demand a routine from you. And if your routine is not proper, and if you are hanging out with negative guys who are non-serious, then things are going to be tricky. All right, so company plays a good role. It's not just giving efforts, it's not just sitting with books and studying all the time. What company you are keeping plays a very big role in your success. All right, so let's go to the next slide. Change your environment like a vector. Change your environment like a vector. So what is the property? What is this property of a vector? A vector can be translated parallelly without a change. So how this is relevant to your life? By you I mean an IIT aspirant life. So this is very relevant. All right, so this is also related to the previous slide. So if you are for example stuck in a negative environment, I tell you my story. When I was in Kota, my roommate was non-serious. Like he used to play games all the time, and he used to he used to not basically focus. So one day what did I tell him that I'll have to study, I'll have to, because he always wanted a company. Right? So for good times, he always wanted a company and he wanted me to be with him. So I strongly told him that I need to study. All right. So you need to gather this courage and you need to tell your friends, and in order to keep a good company, in order to create a positive environment. So positive environment just not gets created. You need to create it. All right. Then only you got you'll be able to crack a tough exam like IIT JEE, because there is very cutthroat competition for this examination. All right. So what I have written here, you can read on the slide. If you are stuck in a negative environment, take decisions and change your environment before they change you. Obviously, if you are not going to take steps, you're not going to take steps to for your serious preparation, then non-serious guys will change you, and then you'll gradually get colored in their colors, and you will be demotivated, and several problems occur. Depression occurs. You'll not reach your goal, and you know you'll have family issues and all those things. So always try to maintain your environment and change your environment a positive environment. All right. Next slide. Do not be a null vector. Do not be a null vector. All right. So first of all, what is a null vector? A null vector has a zero magnitude and its direction is indeterminate. All right. So let's take a student. He's not preparing well, and he's just he's preparing blindly. All right. He's not working on his weak areas, and he continuously he's happy that some topics physics is stronger, and some topics which he does not like, he does not devote time to those topics. So what will basically happen, he will get caught in a rut, you know. His marks will become constant, his marks will not improve, and basically what will happen, he will not build upon his strengths. So what I have written here, dear JE aspirant, always keep improving, make your weak areas stronger, make short goals. It's very important to make your weak areas stronger. See, your strong point is already strong, so what you need to do, you keep working on that, but you also need to work on your weaker areas. So that will be an optimized way of studying. All right. And if you start working on weaker areas, if you start working on those areas which does not interest you, that effort will actually accrue in terms of marks. You'll get more marks after you put these directional efforts, you know. So I always say my students that be directional, don't study in a haphazard manner, don't waste your efforts. Another word of saying all these things is study intelligently. All right. And to study intelligently, make short goals, make short goals. I take example of mine that when I was preparing for IIT JEE, my organic went a bit weak. So I decided that within a period of 1 month, I'll devote lots of time to my organic, and I'll make my organic a bit stronger, and that actually resulted in a good fruits. All right. So that actually helped me in my preparation. So make short goals. First analyze yourself that what areas are weaker. This in a mathematics, my algebra is weak or my calculus is weak. So you identify first those topics, then you start devoting time, and start solving questions basically, and you contact your educators on an academy and take quizzes for those respective topics, and I guarantee that you will be able to score good in those areas, and in that sense you will build your magnitude, and your direction will also be not indeterminate. Right. So your direction of preparation is determined, that I am working on my weaker areas, then I am working on my stronger areas, and I'm preparing in a balanced manner. Don't be a null vector, always build upon your magnitude and always have a direction. All right. So this is also a very important slide, very important slide. Next slide. Keep changing and keep adding new things and be yourself. Keep changing and keep adding new things and be yourself. All right. So this slide is already linked to the previous slide. I already told you that analyze things, and keep bringing in new techniques to your study style. For example, I tell you that you can bring like mental calculation in your study style. Most of us, what we do, we even write small equations on the paper, and we waste our 5 to 10 seconds in that. So we should stop doing that, and we should start trying mental calculation, because that saves lots of time in your exam, and time is a very good factor in cracking the exam with a good rank. All right. So always add on new things to your style, but never change your style completely. That I have written in this slide. Like a vector, always have your 360-degree rotation. So when a vector is rotated by 360 degree, it does not change. All right. So never change yourself completely. For example, if you are a slow learner, and if you try to become a fast learner, then that is not going to happen very quickly. All right. So you should give the proper time that you require to understand a concept. If you require 5 hours daily, on daily basis, then you should give that. Don't follow any student who is a fast learner. All right. So don't change yourself completely, because that is going to destroy you, and you are not going, you will be like mishandling yourself. All right. So keep this thing in mind. This plays a very big role to retain your essence. Always find yourself back and believe in yourself. This is a very important point. Believe in yourself. If you don't believe in yourself, you'll always keep changing, you'll always follow others, and you'll fall in the pit, and your exam preparation will get derailed. So always know what you are, what time you need to understand a concept, then go for it. All right. Let's move to the next slide. You do you. What does that mean? You do you. It means that like you have put efforts, you have worked a lot, you were dedicated enough, you were like motivated, you worked a lot, and then in the final judgment day, on final judgment day, what you need to do, you need to perform without thinking anything. You need to perform well. So the judgment day can be anything. It can be the daily quizzes, it can be the daily lessons. You need to be focused in the live classes on an academy platform. So you always have to do yourself. You'll always have to be very like give your 3000%. All right. Then only you can manage this cutthroat competition. Keep improving with an academy's hand holding. You do you and inspire. So when you will join hands with me, basically what we'll do, we'll prepare together very well, and we'll bring a good rank, and with our hard work, we'll inspire the world. All right. So believe in yourself, and give your best in daily quizzes, daily exams, and in the main exam. All right. So this is how I think I have motivated you enough, and this is how I related the vector chapter with a motivation session. So I think I have motivated you enough to join hands with me, and we'll crack together this prestigious exam, IIT JEE. You can very well see my code Rajiv, so you can use my code for the subscription on an academy channel. So you'll get 10% off discount. All right. So I end my presentation here. Nice meeting you all, and I like look forward in teaching you all students. Have a nice day.